Here's one more thing to note. Here was the old handheld unit. Here is the new handheld unit. I'm going to put this one out, but you always want to check your old handheld units, because son of a gun, you might find that it works your new unit. So what I would do is I would keep this, I would hang on to it, put it in a storage area, because if you ever lose this one, or if this one gets broken or something, at least you'll have the old one to replace it with. Now if you never can find any, I'm not sure if they have a universal type of handheld remote for wall mount air conditioners, window mount air conditioners. Check with your local hardware store if you need one. Well, this one's working fine too. So I've got the cord over here, pooched out. There was just a little bit of room on the trim, and I kind of pushed in on that, had it zip down below and then back up. Nice. Boy, every time I have something to show you, I'm gonna get my camera out and show you. Okay, now you remember that little plastic goodie that we took off? This was just for shipping purposes, okay? Now, if you got some trim, or somehow you need to do something to adjust your cord, let's say, you could flop this over it and then screw it into your trim. Okay, in my case, I don't need that. It's sticking out plenty. I've got it pushed right up against the wall, and I'm good. But you never know when you're going to need this. And by the way, you can just some caulking on my hand there. You just keep these, because you never know. You might need this for another project. Okay, so don't throw your stuff away. All right, enough of that. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.